So in this video, let me show you how you can search iPhone calendar for past events, right? So let me show it to you practically. If we get inside our calendar app, you can see that today is August 13th, but right now within my view, if I click on the search, you can see that I can type in some specific appointment, right? I'm going to look something up. It's the appointment 1, right? That's how it's called. And the date of this event is in the past. So it's from July, right? And I was able to look up the events from the past. So it usually works like this. It should be fine. But there is one important setting which you need to make sure you have set up properly. So if you leave calendar and go to the main settings app like this, and then from the list, go to the bottom where all of the apps are. So click on apps in here. And from those, try to find a calendar. So it's sorted alphabetically. You should be able to find it. But my point is that in here, you need to manage the syncing, right? So there's the sync menu, and you want to make sure that it says all events. For me, it does, and that's why I was able to go back into the past and look up the events from then, right? So it might be set for you to, for example, keep events stored for 2 weeks only, or, 1 month or 6 months, whatever. But it depends on how you want to have it, obviously, but you need to make sure that you have the information stored in the past if you actually want to look it up and search for it. So you get my point. That's it. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in future uploads.